Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sharija. In this video, we'll take a look at what are 21st century skills, why are they so important, and how we can help students inculcate these skill sets which are essential to prepare them for the unseen future. What are 21st century skills? 21st century skills are a range of competences taught across all levels of education that give students the skills they need to navigate an ever-shifting workforce. Why are 21st century skills so important? We live in a fast-changing world, and producing more of the same knowledge and skills will not suffice to address the challenges of the future. A generation ago, teachers could expect that what they taught would last their students a lifetime. Today, because of rapid economic and social change, schools have to prepare students for jobs that have not yet been created, technologies that have not yet been invented, and problems that we don't know will arise. Jobs that were present 15 years ago does not exist anymore. Cashiers are being replaced by self-checkout machines, travel agents by travel websites. There are no more social media experts because every individual is a social media expert now. And the assembly line workers are gradually being replaced by robots. With the rapid advancement in technology, it's a real challenge for schools to prepare the students for future which is uncertain. Our students should be equipped with skills needed for facing big challenges and for the jobs which even doesn't exist now. So let us see what are included in the 21st century skills. In this video, I'll be focusing on 8 skills which will equip our children to overcome big challenges in the unseen future. As you can see, they are communication and teamwork, creativity and problem solving, entrepreneurship and initiative, language empowerment, leadership and decision making, critical thinking, technology literacy, and local and global citizenship. Let us analyze each one of them. Critical thinking. It is the mechanism that weeds out problems and replaces them with fruitful endeavors. To develop critical thinking skills, create opportunities for students to analyze a novel situation, think independently, process information responsibly, and develop the ability to evaluate and act on it impartially. Then comes communication and teamwork. Communication is the glue that brings all the educational qualities together. It's crucial for students to learn how to effectively convey ideas among different personality types. That has the potential to eliminate confusion in a workplace, which makes your students valuable parts of their teams, departments, and companies. Teamwork or collaboration means getting students to work together, achieve compromises, and get the best possible results from solving a problem. Therefore, students should be given opportunity to interact and express views effectively, communicate and work effectively together, and to negotiate and build on the ideas of others using different communication methods to ensure the achievement of results. The most important of the 21st century skills is creativity and problem solving. Creativity is the skill that empowers students to see concepts in a different light, which leads to innovation. Therefore, allows students to break out of stereotypes, to face life situations by coming up with new solutions, using unfamiliar resources, and linking information and different facts. Therefore, they are able to contribute to solving the problems they face in everyday life and in workplace. Then comes leadership and decision making. Leadership skills are essential for setting goals, walking a team through the steps required, and achieving those goals collaboratively. Leadership applies to every level of one's career. Entry-level workers need leadership skills for understanding the decisions that managers and business leaders make. Then those entry-level employees can apply these leadership skills when they are promoted to middle management. So it is essential to provide students with the real-world experience they need to lead entire companies. That gives ambitious students the expertise they need to grow professionally and lead whole corporations. Therefore, provide opportunities inside the classroom to lead situations, unify opinions, inspire and motivate others, and make sound evidence-based decisions. Also allow them to identify and study options and choose appropriate ones by considering personal and public interests. It's essential in this global world to make our students local and global citizens. Local and global citizenship involves discussing controversial issues about diversity, equality and justice, democracy and active participation. It encourages students to identify and clarify their values and attitudes. They also learn how to recognize, understand, and manage their emotions and behavior in different situations. Teachers should give students the opportunity to explore relevant real-life contexts that are based on the statutory requirements so that they develop the ability to direct their knowledge, behavior, and values responsibly. To promote intellectual convergence among different components of society and raise their awareness of global challenges. Students should be encouraged to increase their contribution to the building and development of their homeland. As they know, they should be given opportunities to establish environmental sustainability practices, social justice, and positive attitude towards global problems. And another important 21st century skill is entrepreneurship and initiative. Initiative only comes naturally to a handful of people. As a result, students need to learn it fully to succeed. This is one of the hardest skills to learn and practice because initiative often means working on projects out of regular working hours. But true success also requires initiative, requiring students to be self-starters. Therefore, it is essential to develop students' ability to self-manage productively, pursue personal goals with strong determination and motivation, and deal with failures and frustrations positively. They must be given opportunities to analyze risk with clear vision, to show initiative to deal with shortcomings, and to provide constructive suggestions. Without doubt, it is clear that the students in 21st century skills require technological literacy. Technological literacy refers to the understanding of machines that make the information age possible. As computers, cloud programming, and mobile devices become more important to the world needs more people to understand those concepts. Technology literacy gives students the basic information they need to understand what gadgets perform what tasks, why, and how. After all, if you don't understand how technology works, it might look like magic. Technology literacy unmasks the high-powered tools that run today's world. As a result, students can adapt to the world more effectively. They can play an important role in its evolution. They might even guide its future. Therefore, students must be taught to use technology and technological tools effectively to create, access, manage, refute, critique, and disseminate information with full knowledge of the impact of technological contents on the individual and society. Now comes language empowerment. Language has immense power, and its impact is totally dependent on how we use it. Mostly, words are so often used automatically and unconsciously that we have learned to treat them lightly. If we realize that language has the potential to create and transform our lives, we would pay a great deal of attention to our speaking. Language is the building block for all higher cognitive processes, including steer attention, conscious memorization, recall categorization, problem-solving strategies, concrete reasoning, and self-reflection. Therefore, language empowerment is essential to help students excel intellectually. Students should be given opportunity to provide or produce not only literacy works, but also scientific knowledge. English is obviously the language that currently dominates global scientific activities. It is recognized that language can pose a barrier to the transfer of scientific knowledge, especially for non-native speakers. Mother tongue is equally important, as it is the language which a child starts hearing after being born, and thus it helps in providing a definite shape to one's emotions and thoughts. Learning in one's mother tongue also is crucial in enhancing other skills such as critical thinking, skills to learn a second language, and literacy skills. Thus, in this global world, students should be encouraged to learn both a first language and a second language, that is mother tongue and more. In today's quick and constantly shifting world, 21st century skills are essential. When students are able to adapt to new requirements and overcome unexpected obstacles, they will thrive no matter where their life takes them. As teachers, start slow and work your way up. Surely students will reap the benefits in and out of the classroom. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give your views and suggestions as comments below. Thank you.